I think I need to name the truck, and I've been calling it Bobby's truck, but it's not Bobby's truck, it's my truck. So I think it's time for me to give it my own name. And I'm going to ask YouTubers to help me. What should we name Bobby's truck? I thought about it being female, and I thought about it being a biblical name, like a name from the Bible of a, woman or something like that. I definitely don't want to name it Jezebel. I've had a Jezebel before, and that didn't turn out well. Today what I'm going to do is put a U-joint in it, and I've got a set of exhaust pipes to go on it, and I've got paint coming to paint the frame. They say it's going to be here tomorrow, so that gives me today to do the U-joint and the exhaust pipes. I wanted to get them done before I put the bed back on back here with everything open like this. So I'm just going to jack up the back tires so that I can turn them while I'm loosening up the bolts that hold the universal joint. There's the back universal right there, and I think... Where's my dog barking at? Hey, 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 hey! Where you going? What are you up to? Hey, hey! I see you out there. You chasing rabbits? You chasing your sister? What's going on out here? Hey, hey! Hey, baby. Hey, Daisy. I see your brother running around like a little wild thing. What's going on out here, y'all? Oh, Daddy. Just so much to see. Just so much to get into, Daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty, I'll show you what's wrong with the one I'm taking out. It's the front one, and if you see right here, try to get that where I can move it and where you can see it move. You see that woggling right there? Well, that's what's wrong. These cups have these little rollers, little roller bearings in it, and when they wear out. By the way, if you keep these greased, they're not as likely to wear out. But when they wear out, those bearings, when they lose their grease, they either wear out or they fall out, and then you've got a wobbly U-joint like that, which will eventually break. So the way to fix that is to take these clamps loose and then knock this old U-joint out. Put a new U-joint in there. I think the one on the back is good. This is the cup. It's dry, but it looks good. This is where that sat, right on top of that. And I think that what I'll probably do is put a roll of tape around here so this won't fall out, and then shoot this thing full of grease. There should be a grease fitting on it somewhere. If not, I'll change it. I don't see, yeah, there it is right there. See, there's the grease fitting right there. So I'll get a paper towel and wipe the dirt off this, and then just wrap it in some painter's tape. Try to save that one. One less I have to change. These things can really be a bear to change sometimes. Some are harder than others. Some are pretty darn difficult. So I'll go ahead and just wipe this stuff off of here. That way when I put the tape around it, it'll probably doesn't matter, does it? Give me a piece of tape around that. And all this is for is just to hold all that in place so that they won't go flying. Because if they go flying, all them bearings will come out and splatter around all over the floor, and I'll never get them back in there like they go. But this will just hold everything. So I don't have to worry about that while I'm working on the other part. What I'll do is I'll take the rest of this over there and I'll put it on that vise. I did another Ford truck a year or two ago. Guy had a Ford truck down in Athens I was trying to help him fix.